Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage. Decide if the pan needs light rescue or aggressive work. Remove loose flakes with a stiff brush, then use 0. 5-cup white vinegar diluted 1 to soften rust, soak no more than 1 hour. While waiting, prepare tools, gloves, steel wool, mild soap, a plastic scraper, and a towel. You do this so the weakened oxide lifts easily without harming the iron's base. Once the soak is done, rinse and inspect for remaining stubborn spots before the next step. You now attack residual rust. Scrub firmly with steel wool following the grain, short strokes, repeated checks. If pitting remains, switch to a rotary brush or sanding until you reveal clean, dark metal. Rinse with hot water and dry immediately on a burner or in a warm oven to drive off moisture, because iron rusts fast. Make sure to use soap sparingly just this once to remove contaminants, then towel dry and heat dry again, so there's no surface moisture left to start new corrosion. You finish by re-establishing the protective seasoning. Coat lightly with a high smoke oil, flaxseed, grapeseed, or vegetable, wiping so only a sheen remains. Excess oil causes stickiness. Bake upside down at 450 degrees for 1 hour cool, then repeat 2 more times for durable layers. Once done, test by beating a drop of water. It should slick and bead. If the surface is tacky or blotchy, scrub lightly with fine steel wool, clean, and run another 1 or 2 seasoning cycles to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.